Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Brown Bear, What Do You See? Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading Brown Bear, What Do You See? I had so much fun reading this story, as well as using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. You can find your own Say and Play Story Kit mini objects at speechandsmile.com, as well as several other story kits, mini objects, and speech-related kits as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, make it a great day.